All right. When you simplify an algebraic fraction such as the one that we have here, that's the one that you were working out, right? You can see there that in the numerator there are two terms because there is plus there. So since there are two terms, it means for us to simplify it, we must factorize it, then we can reduce it lowest term. Now, so me to identify the common factors, I can express each base as a product of its prime factors, which means 12 can be written as what? It's 2 squared. That's 2 squared times 3. This is my 12, which is raised to exponent what? X. Then plus. Then my 4 is 2 squared. This is 4 and is raised to exponent x times 3 to exponent x plus 1 all over what? 2 to exponent 2x plus 4. Then times 3 to exponent what? X. Right? Then from there, I'm going to distribute the exponent what? That is outside the bracket to each and every number inside the bracket. So this x times what? This exponent 2 that we have. So it will be 2 to exponent 2x. We are multiplying this exponent 2 times x. Then we distribute the exponent to 3, which means it's times what? 3 to exponent x. Then plus. Then here we have got two exponents raising the same base 2, which means it's 2 to exponent 2x times 3 to exponent x. So I'm going to split this. Since it is 3 to exponent x plus exponent 1, then I can rewrite it as 3 to exponent x times 3 to exponent 1. Right? Then from there, we are dividing by what? 2 to exponent 2x. Then allow me as well to split this exponent. Since we are adding exponents, it means we are multiplying common what? Bases. So which means it's times 2 to exponent what? 4 times what? 3 to exponent x. So our denominator is fine. It's just one term. Then from there, we are now going to take out the common factor in the numerator. So we can see here that this base 2 and its exponent is exactly the same as this one in the second term. Then this one in the first term, it's exactly the same as what? This one here. So it means our common factor is what? The common factor is 2 to exponent 2x times 3 to exponent what? X. That's our common factor in the two terms here. So after taking that out, we have taken out everything here. That's our common factor here. So we are going to remain with what? 1 plus. We have taken out this one here, and this one has also been taken out. So we are going to remain with what? 3 to exponent 1. So it means it's 3 here. Right? Then all over, it's 2 to exponent 2x times 2 to exponent 4 times 3 to exponent what? X. Then here, I'm now going to simplify the bracket, which means it is now equals to 2 to exponent 2x times 3 exponent x times what? 3 plus 1, that's what? 4. All over what? Is 2 to exponent 2x times 2 to exponent 4 times what? 3 to exponent x. Now here you can see there that this is now one term in the numerator and one term in the denominator. So you can now see there that this 2 to exponent 2x is exactly the same as this 2 to exponent x in the denominator. So it's common. So we have taken it out. We cancel they cancel each other. So it has been reduced to 1. Then we have got 3 to exponent x, which is going to be reduced by the 3 to exponent x. Then this is what? 1. Then what do we now have? We have what now? In the numerator, it's 4 over what? 2 to exponent 4. Now, what is 2 to exponent 4? Or we can express 4 in terms of powers of 2, which means it's 2 to exponent 2 divided by 2 to exponent what? 4. I'm just using laws of exponents, right? Then from there, we can now see there that Since we have got a bigger exponent in the denominator, it means we are going to take the one in the numerator into the denominator, right? So since we are taking it from numerator to denominator, then we subtract what? Exponents, isn't it? So it means I'm going to take the 2 to exponent 2 in the numerator to the denominator. Then it becomes 1 over what? 2 to exponent 4. Then we subtract the exponent because we are dividing with the 2 to exponent 2 in the numerator. Then this is going down to simplify to what? In the numerator it's 1 over, then is 2 to exponent what? 4 minus 2, which is exponent what? 2 in the denominator, which then simplifies to 1 over what? 1 over 4. That's our final what? Answer there.